guys, it's Katie and today I'm filming DIY slime. I'm not actually going to be filming this video in my back garden because it is so hot outside and it's Ireland. It would be a shame to waste the lovely weather, but with a death ball in the sky, honestly it's going to fry me. Anyway, so guys, I looked up recipes for DIY slime and they all had this thing called cornstarch in them. And I had no idea what cornstarch was, so I looked it up and it turns out cornstarch is just corn flour, but I don't have any of that, so I have to go over to the shop and get it. Effort. Anyway, so guys, I'm going to go over to the shop now and I'll be back in 5 minutes. See you in a minute. It's so hot outside. Come to me. Perfect. So I got the cornstarch or corn flour, whatever you want to call it, and a few other things I needed to pick up, so I'm just going home now to make the slime. See you guys in a minute. Hey guys, so I'm back at home now and I look really pale in this light from the death thing in the sky, if you can see that. So I'm going to start mixing up my ingredients now to make slime. So the ingredients are pretty simple. 2 cups of corn flour, 1 cup of water, and then the food dye of your choice. I chose purple because that's my favorite color. Well, technically it's violet. So, let's start mixing these up. Okay guys, so this has turned out really weird because it's like liquid. It's like really hard when you're messing with it, but then when you're just letting it go, it goes like liquidy. Can you see that? Look, if I stick my fingers into it, it's like liquidy, but then if I gather up a big chunk of it, which is actually really difficult, it's solid. So I'm going to add a touch more warm water to this, guys, and I'll see you guys in a second. This is so cool, guys. So it's like hard when you're not at it. It's like liquid when you're not at it. Then you pick it up and you play with it for a minute and it's solid. But then you let it lie flat and it turns almost into a liquid. This is some cool slime. So guys, I think we're going to end the video here. If you guys are going to do this, then I recommend doing it on a surface you don't mind getting dirty, because this is a messy project, and probably wear some clothes you don't mind messing up, because this slime is, it's getting everywhere. Look at this. Look at my hands, it's everywhere. It's so funny. So I think I'm just gonna wait and let this all just liquefy and come off me. And I will see you guys later. Bye!